So this is our fifth chapter. The name of the chapter is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
The name of the chapter is Letters
to friend.
Friends. In this chapter, it is an example of how to write a letter. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, as you write address at the top of the letter, in the same way, here it is written address, cottage number 5, Apanidhani, Nawalgarh village, Shekhawati, Rajasthan, and the date is 26 May 2016. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, as you write address at the top of the letter, in the same way, here it is written the address and followed by date 26 May 2016. Is it clear? Now, dear Rubin, the writer, whoever is the writer, is writing a letter to Rubin. Her friend name is Rubin. Is it clear? Now, is it visible to all of you? You all of you have your English literature book?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, dear Rubin, you will never guess where I am. My mother booked a family holiday at Apanidhani, an eco farm in Rajasthan. It's an amazing place. They grow only seasonal vegetables and fruits without any chemical, fertilizer, and pesticides. You can pluck a fruit of a tree and eat it without washing it first. So, now the writer of the letter is describing about a place. The name of the place is Apanidhani. It is an eco farm in Rajasthan. Is it up to here? It is clear. They have visited there to spend their vacation. So they visited to it. They went to for a tour to Rajasthan, and the name of the place is Apanidhani, and that is an eco farm. It is an amazing place, and that place is an amazing, and there they grow only seasonal vegetables and fruits without using any chemical fertilizer and pesticides. So it is so everyone can eat without washing it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Up to here it is clear. So the question is, what is the name of the place the writer of the letter has mentioned? Yes. Apanidhani. It is an eco farm in Rajasthan. Is it clear? The name of the place is Rajasthan. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we will move to next page. The place has 7 cottages for guests. Presently 5 are occupied. Our 2-room cottage has mud walls, wooden furniture, and is painted in natural earth colors. It is very ethnic and so cozy. So that place contains 7 cottages and 5 were already occupied, and their house in which they were living were 2-roomed cottage, and it was made of mud and wooden furniture and was painted in natural earth colors, and it is very ethnic and so cozy. The meaning of ethnic is of belonging of particular community or culture. Cozy means comfortable. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning of cozy?
Comfortable.
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 The house in which the writer of the letter was living was made of mud walls, wooden furniture, and was painted in natural earth colors.
Yes.
So here it is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I must mention some other interesting features as far as possible. The farm uses alternative energy sources. The lights and the fan work on solar power. All the cottages have composed toilets which requires very little water for flushing, yet they are so clean and there is no stink. Stink means bad smell. Is it clear? So I must mention some of other interesting features, and the writer of the letter wants to mention some other interesting features of that house, or about the surroundings. Wait, about the surroundings. So wait for a second. Wait. So he further more add details about they at that place people uses alternative energy sources. And what was that energy source? Solar power. Is it clear? To light
Yes, sir.
the lights and the fan works on solar power. So, and all the cottages have composed toilets which requires very little water for flushing, yet they are so clean and there is no stink. And the toilets were clean and stink. Up to here it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now meals are served in a central courtyard and are only vegetarian. The vegetables and grains are grown on the farm. Everything tastes fantastic. We eat with our hands of leaf plate. So no crockery and cutlery are requested. Crockery means uh, kitchen utensils. You can say plates, cups. It is clear. And cutlery, it is a spoon, or you can say knives used for serving food or used for eating foods. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
the meal
courtyard.
was courtyard means in the middle of the house. It is type of a space, empty space in the middle of the house. Is it clear?
Yes.
So meals are served in a central courtyard, and you can see in the picture also. So the meals were served in a central courtyard, and the meals were only vegetarians. So, and the vegetable and grains were grown on the farm, and the taste of everything was very fantastic, and they eat with their hands instead of eating with crockery and cutlery. Is it clear? And to eat they use leaf plates, plates made of leaf. Is it clear?
Yes,
Up to
sir.
here up to here it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, Apani Dhani done several art and craft workshops. There were several art and craft workshops also. Father and I attended the bandage workshop and learned the traditional tie and dye method. Silpi, my little sister, wanted to get lac bangles, so mother took her to the bangle making workshop. They bought some lovely bangles from the craftsman who runs the workshop. So people of Apani Dhani were skillful skillful about craft, and they use, and father and I, the writer of the letter, attended the bandage workshop and learned the traditional tie and dye method. Traditional means long established, as a part of tradition, as a part of our culture. So Silpi, who was his younger sister, Silpi, who was her younger sister, my little sister wanted to get lac bangles. A lac is a material, you can say it is sticky substances secreted by the lac insect. So mother took her to bangle making workshop, and they bought some lovely bangles from the craftsman who run the workshop. Up to here it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has doubt?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, traditional tie.
Traditional tie, how to tie and how to dye. Is it clear? Now we will move to next page. So we are here for 4 more days. There is a concert tonight in which local performer will give us a taste of Rajasthani music. I hope there is a dancing too. I would like to learn some new moves. I hope you like the photographs I have sent. We will be back in Mumbai on 31st May. Let's meet up before school reopens. Your affectionate friend Suhana. So, what was the name of the what was the name of the writer? Or you can say the writer?
Suhana.
Suhana.
Suhana. So further, she is saying that they are going to spend 4 more days at Rajasthan, and there is a concert tonight. Concert means a musical or dance performance. Is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
he's saying that there is a concert tonight in which local performers will give us a taste of Rajasthani music. In concert, local performer will perform Rajasthani music or maybe dance. And the writer of the letter wanted to learn some new moves of dance. And she sent a collection of photographs. So she has written, I hope you like the photograph I have sent. And we will be back in Mumbai on 31st May. And she says that they will return to their home on 31st May. Let's meet up before school reopens, and your affectionate friend Suhana. So this is the way of writing letter. Is it clear? It is an example of letter, how a letter is written. Is it clear? In the same way you write letter? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
First you write address, then date, then salutation, then main body of the letter, and then again closing line, and then what? Salutation, and then a name of the writer. In the same way, you also write letters. So now in second part of this chapter, it is a reply to the same letter. Suhana has written letter to Rubin, and now Rubin is replying to Suhana. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Suhana has written letter to Rubin in first part, and now in second part we will know about what Rubin replies to Suhana.
Suhana.
Is it clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now Rubin has written her address, Lipots Den, Van Mitra Nature Camp, Bandipur National Park, Karnataka, 30 May 2016. Now she is writing, Dear Suhana, I received your letter the day my family was leaving for Mysuru. So she is saying that she received that letter when their family were leaving for Mysuru. You know how much my father and I love going on nature walks. This weekend, stay at Van Mitra Nature Camp in Bandipur is a surprise birthday present for my parents. So Rubin is saying that, sorry, 1 second. Rubin is saying that you know that how much her father and she loves going on nature walks, and this weekend they are going to stay at Van Mitra Nature Camp in Bandipur, and it is a surprise birthday present for her parents.
Parents.
Clear? It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now, my father, a keen birder. Birder means who observes birds. Is it clear? A person who enjoys watching bird.
But
So, my father, a keen birder, is in his element. He is out since dawn with his binoculars and camera. Here, dawn means morning. Is it clear? So, in this line, Rubin is saying that her father is a keen birder, and he is more familiar about the birds, and he went out since morning with his binoculars and camera. Yesterday he took a brilliant photograph of a whistling schoolboy, a Malabar thrush sitting on an old metal gate and whistling. My brother Sai tried to imitate the whistling sound but failed. Now she's saying that yesterday he took a brilliant photograph of a whistling schoolboy. She saw a schoolboy who was whistling and he took a brilliant photograph. Rubin is a boy. So he took a
So
brilliant
whistling
photograph,
means
whistling to make sound from your mouth. Is it clear? A melodious sound, you can say.
yes.
In Hindi, we say siti. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Whistling. Schoolboy. A Malabar thrush. Here, the meaning of thrush is a type of bird. A Malabar thrush sitting on an old metal gate and whistling. My brother Sai, the name of Rubin's brother is Sai, tried to imitate the whistling sound but failed. Imitate means to copy. Is it clear? So
Yes,
his
sir.
brother tried to copy the sound of whistling sound of the bird, but he tried to copy. It failed to copy. Sorry. Now Van Mitra organizes nature walk twice a day. This morning we saw a deep brown colored squirrel with a 2-foot long tail. Do you know it can leap a distance of almost 20 feet at a time? Now she is saying that Van Mitra, it is the name of organization. Van Mitra organizes nature walks twice a day, and that morning they saw what a deep brown colored squirrel having 2-foot long tail. And she's saying that, do you know that it can leap a distance of almost 20 feet at a time? Leap means jump. The squirrel was able to jump 20 feet at a time. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Up to here it is clear to
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
up to here it is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone has doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So near a stream, we sighted a herd of 30 to 40 spotted deers. They are the favorite prey of leopards. Even while drinking water, they kept a sharp lookout. Now she's saying that near a stream, they saw a herd of 30 to 40 spotted deers, and they were the favorite prey of leopards. Prey means food. Is it clear?
Yes,
They were the
sir.
favorite food of leopards. Even while drinking water, they kept a sharp lookout. And while drinking water, those leopards kept a sharp lookout for the predator. Now, I learned an interesting fact. The spotted deer eat the antlers, they said, for the rich nutrients they contain. Now, while they are drinking water, they keep an eye on their enemy or the animal who used to eat them. And the spotted deer eat the antlers, they said, for the rich nutrients they contain. And whatever the spotted deer eats makes them they are rich nutrients. Now, Van Mitra runs a snake rescue project, and they rescue snakes that have accidentally entered human homes and leave them in the open. Now, what is the work of Van Mitra? Van Mitra runs a snake rescue project. Whenever any snake accidentally enters human homes, and so they catch those snakes and leave them in the open, in the forest. And this allows the snakes to return to their regular habitat away from human settlement. So Van Mitra catch those snakes which accidentally enters human homes and they leave them in the forest, and this allows the snakes to return to their natural habitat. Their natural habitat is forest. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The meaning of habitat is a place or natural environment in which a plant or an animal lives. So away from human settlement. Now with the help of Banmitra, the forest department has rehabilitated several stolen leopard cubs. We saw an awesome film about how the cubs were rescued and hand-reared before being reunited with their mothers. I am eager to spot leopards, but the chances are slim. In the hot season, they go deep into the forest. Now, further, Rubin is saying that with the help of Banmitra, the forest department has rehabilitated several stolen leopards cubs. So, they have restored to their natural habitat with the help of forest department, and they saw an awesome film about how the cubs were rescued and hand reared before being reunited with their mothers. What were their condition before reunited with their mothers? And Rubin is eager to spot leopards. He wanted to see leopards, but the chances are slim. The chances are very few, and because in the hot season they go deep into the forest.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, your voice is repeating 2 times.
Now it is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So there is something novel to experience here. Novel means here the meaning of novel is new. There is something new to experience here every day, and I have taken some amazing photographs. But it's heartbreaking to see trash and plastic littering the forest. Now Rubin is saying that there is something new to experience here every day, and he has taken some amazing photographs, but it is heartbreaking to see trash. Trash means waste. Trash and plastic littering the forest, which was spread on the forest. And we do our, yes? Anyone want to ask question? So we do our bit by collecting the trash on our nature walks. So what they did, they tried to collect those trash during their walk. Now he's saying that we are getting back on 3rd June. You must come to my place on 5th June, my birthday, and bring the photographs you have taken at Apani Dhani. Now Rubin is saying that they are returning on 3rd June, and he's inviting his friend Suhana to his home on 5th June, which was, and on that day, it was birthday of Rubin. On 5th June, it was birthday of Rubin, and he asks her that to bring the photographs that she has taken at Apani Dhani. Now best wishes, Rubin. Now the moral of the story is, the moral of the story, or you can say excerpt, is nature is beautiful and bountiful. Bountiful means plentiful, and we have a vital role in preserving it. Now the writer is trying to tell that nature has everything. Nature is beautiful and bountiful, plentiful. There are many sources, resources, and we have a vital role, and we have an important role in preserving it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now anyone has doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
So,
No, no, sir.
yes,
Sir, rehabilitate.
to restore in their natural environment. Rehabilitate means to restore them, to send them in their natural environment. Suppose a snake enters your house accidentally, and Banvitra comes to rescue them and takes them back to the forest. This process is called rehabilitate. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
To sending them to their
Natural
How?
environment. Natural environment, you can say. Is it clear?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to ask few questions. What is the meaning of concert? Don't see from the book. Don't cheat from the book. What is the meaning of concert? Now only I have explained you. Let me see that how much you have grasped the meaning of the chapter. Yes, Priyanshu, what is the meaning of concert?
Sir, a musical dance program.
A music, color,
A music.
dance, performance. Now, what is the meaning of murder? Yes,
Sir, person who enjoys birds.
wait for a second. What were the interesting features of the eco farm? What were the interesting features of the eco farm? Now let's look at here. They grow only seasonal vegetables and fruits without any chemical fertilizer and pesticides. Is it clear? This was one interesting feature. Second interesting feature was, you can say, the house were made of mud walls, wooden furniture, and was painted in natural earth colors. Is it clear? And it was very ethnic and so cozy. This was second features. And the third feature
Sir,
where
earth color means
earth color means muddy color. Muddy color. So, and the third feature is they use alternative energy sources. The lights and fans work on solar power. Is it clear? And all the cottages and compost toilets which require very little water, and that all the cottages have compost toilet which were very clean and there was no stink. These were the important features of the eco farm located in Rajasthan. Is it clear to all of you or not?
yes, sir.
Again, I am repeating the same question. What were the one by one? You have to say one point about the features of that eco farm located in Rajasthan. Prachi, first you have to tell the first feature of that eco farm, which is mentioned in the letter.
Sir, the house was made up of the furniture was made up of wood. So the house was colored with the natural earth color.
The house were made of mud walls, wooden furniture, and was painted in natural, or you can say earth colors, and it was very ethnic and cozy. Is it clear? Now, Priyanshu, second, tell me the second point.
Ethnic and cozy means
Belonging to. Cozy means
so
comfortable.
what's the meaning of?
My voice is coming to you, Prachi. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Ethnic means relating to particular community, or culture. As you can see that the people who lives in jungle, they live in a house made of mud. So this is of particular. It represent a particular community. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And now cozy means comfortable, which is comfortable. So, Priyanshu, tell me the second point.
all the electric resources are working from the solar power.
Good. So all the electronics devices were using alternative energy sources. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, third point, Ladli, third point. Ladli, my voice is audible? Ladli, my voice is audible?
No, sir.
My voice is coming?
No, sir.
Okay, Sejal, tell me the third point, third features of the eco farm. Sejal, your voice is not coming.
The fruits and vegetables are seasonal and they grow without a chemical.
Good. So the vegetable were grown without using any chemical fertilizer and pesticides. Is it clear? And now fourth point. What fourth point? Anupam. Anupam. Fourth point was here. They eat with their hands and they eat with their hands without using crockery and cutlery. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And the vegetables were grown from their farm only.
Yes, this is the fifth point. Up to here it is clear? Up to here it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I want to ask few questions. Are you preparing for your first periodical test?
Yes, sir.
You have got your syllabus?
Yes, sir.
If you have not got your syllabus, just go to the school website and download your, yes.
Sir, in the school website, sir, I have downloaded the syllabus.
Yes.
Sir, I have not downloaded. There was not the routine of first periodical test.
Routine you have to download syllabus from your school website. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Whatever the decision will be, it will be communicated to you. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, word of chapter 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone has any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Wait for a second. So in this chapter, we have learned about how we can preserve the natural environment, how we can preserve our natural environment.
Environment.
Is it? And the second thing what we have learned, how to write a letter. It is an example
Letter.
of a letter. What are the names of the friends? The name of the friends are Rubin and
Ruby.
Suhana. Is it clear?
Sohana.
What is the name of Rubin's brother? Okay, the name of Rubin's brother is Sai. Is it clear?
Yes,
Name
sir.
of Rubin's brother is Sai. So go through this chapter. If you have any doubt, comment us in Google Classroom. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, I am asking. Once again, I am asking. Anyone has any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure. Okay. So I think the time is over.